I am Harihar Misra. Friend, today's topic is what is SOS report and how to create SOS report in RHEL, CentOS and Oracle Linux. Okay friends, what is an SOS report? The SOS report command is a tool that collects configuration details, system information and diagnostic information from a Red Hat Enterprise Linux system, CentOS or Oracle Linux. Why need to create an SOS report? Means SOS report. Performing an initial analysis by support engineer of a service request for a Red Hat Enterprise Linux system. So we need to create a source report. Means server and initial server analysis. If any time server down or any issue in server, so we create the source report and share with the Red Hat support engineer. Friends, the SOS reports contain the following information about the system. First one, boot information of the system, file system information, file system is ext4 or XFS or ext3, memory and CPU details, host name and OS version, in which OS version the operating system is running, list of installed RPMs, system IP and network details, install the kernel and modules, list of open files, list of PCI devices, current running process and process tree. These files are usually located in the /etc directory and in the /var log directory. The configuration files in /etc directory and log files are in /var log directory. Okay friends, after the creation of the SOS report, it is saved on /temp directory or /var/temp directory. How to install SOS report on RHEL, CentOS and OL Oracle Linux? By default, this package already installed in the RHEL, CentOS and Oracle Linux, but source report installation is not a big deal. Run the following command: yum install SOS. Friends, how to generate the source report on RHEL, CentOS, OL systems? Source report requires root permission to gather data correctly. There is no any mechanism to allow non-root user to generate source report. It is very important point. So note down it. The second important point. The source report means SOS report command will normally complete within a few minutes or depend on system performance. Friends, third point. Once completed source report will generate a compressed file under /temp or under the /var/temp directory. Now friends, open the terminal and run the below command. The command is SOS report. Let us start do the practical. Okay friends, we have logged in with the root user and run the command SOS report and enter. It will be take some time. Now here press enter to continue and Ctrl C to quit. Then go to enter, continue. Please enter your first initial and last name. We want to put your name or the client name. Now blank. Please enter the case ID. If you get the any case ID from the RHL ROL, then put here, otherwise enter. Setting up archive and running the task. It will be take some time, depend on the system performance. The SOS report collect all the information from the /etc directory and /var log files. Total number of the 95 process and currently 6973 is running. This is SC Linux, subscription manager, all data is collecting now. In the source report means SOS report, disk information, CPU information, memory information, all data is available. Running process, disk space, SC Linux details, all the PCI devices, all the RPMs, creating compressed archive. Now creating compressed archive. Yeah, finished. There is the mentioned path where my SOS report is saved. Your SOS report has been generated in the saved in this path /vartemp SOS report, host name, then date, today's date, /today's date dot tar dot sz, means archive format. We can check it. So go to cd/var/tmp directory, enter, and ls. Yeah, this is the date wise. Today's date here generated the this one. Okay, now source report is generated. This is the path /vartemp source report client.com 2022041803606606, this one.